Navy helicopter crashes in California, 1 injured. A Navy MH-60S Seahawk crashed near El Centro, California, on Thursday evening, injuring one of the crew members. The aircraft, assigned to Helicopter Sea Squadron 3 based out of Naval Air Station North Island, was completing a routine training flight from Naval Air Facility El Centro when it crashed. All 4 of the air crew on board survived the crash and have been safely recovered, the Navy said in a statement Thursday. One of the aircrew has suffered non-life-threatening injuries and has been transported to a local hospital. No other details were provided. The incident came a day after 5 Marines were killed when a Marine Corps MV-22B Osprey crashed near Glamis, California, during training. The aircraft was assigned to the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing based at Camp Pendleton. Last year, a Navy MH-60S Seahawk helicopter conducting training aboard the aircraft carrier Abraham Lincoln crashed in the ocean off the coast of San Diego, killing 5 crew members. According to a Navy investigation into the incident, the crash was caused by a damaged damper hose that failed.